Hi everyone, my name is Jess and I am a thriftaholic. Today I am doing a live unboxing for the Goodwill Blue Box. If you're not familiar with what it is, thanks Chip. They are mystery boxes from Goodwill. This one is from Dayton, Ohio. And they drop these boxes Friday nights, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. They go within a minute or two. You have to be on their site. They have categories. This one is just the, okay, thank you. This one is just the $10 box, okay? I got 2 of them, however, only one came today in the mail. So let's get in it. I haven't peeked. I did cut open the box, so it's not like super loud with the scissors. Okay, the first thing I see is not bad, but not great, right? And my daughter is going to try to turn off my phone. It is Forever 21. This is a size small. It's, please stop. Thank you. I do not thrift fast fashion hardly ever unless it's new with tags. So this dress I'll probably get like $8 for. Okay, so this is unfortunate. Ooh, but it's plus size. Okay, so this is Avenue 22-24 size green striped cami. I could sell this for probably $8. And I will tell you, I'm having the best luck right now with Facebook Marketplace. I'm selling a lot of like lower dollar items there. And that's okay because my eBay is like crickets. Well, everything's pretty much crickets. 4 years of resale, almost 5 years of reselling, and it's never been this bad. Isn't it right? I'm hardly making any money.
Yeah.
Why am I not making money, Chip?
I don't know.
You don't know. Makes me sad.
Yeah. You not get money.
No, not very much.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's okay. My daughter just spilled her veggie straws. Here we have Soprano chevron dress. It's like a bodycon dress. Soprano retails kind of high, but I don't think their resale value is that great. I'll check prices on ThredUp. I may send that in. Okay, let's not tell stories, okay? Not right now. Alright, so here we have Charter Club Petite. Petite does okay, but it's not something that I generally look for. Charter Club, it's a sweater vest. I could probably style this to be okay, but you know, like $10. Man, I'm kind of sad. Walmart. Fanskin, a small, and this is like completely, this is oversized, just a basic 3/4 length pink top. That will probably be like $5 on Facebook.
Mommy not get money.
I know, I'm not getting money, Chip. What's up with that?
Me just show you. Me just show food.
Okay. I know. Well, I do have money, but I'm just not making as much as I normally do. Here's a Calvin Klein thermal. It's their performance. It's their like activewear line. I believe this is just sold like at Marshall's or something, but I could probably get $10 for it. Nothing great so far. This one actually has a tag cut out. It's a women's top. It does look like a larger size. There is lightwear. Like I'll probably just put this on Facebook for $5. Okay, so when I'm at a thrift store and I don't see the brand tag, somebody has cut it out. There is an RN tag. See that RN number? You can look this up. Google RN clothing lookup. You type this number. Hey Chip, shh. You type in this number and it will tell you the brand. Sometimes you have to Google the brand because it's the company that owns the brand. So I just Google it. I'm trying to see if there's a flaw. I can't tell. The sun is getting ready to set, so my lighting is kind of weird. I didn't want to get my ring light out. So, next is a vintage Morona linen blend top. This I can actually list probably on Etsy and other vintage shops. This one might do decent, like $15, maybe $20 because it's a linen blend.
Look.
Okay, Chip, they're here to see clothes, not dinos.
Love.
Sonoma, which is Kohl's, a 2X, the everyday tee. Again, probably like $8.
Yeah.
Okay, this isn't working with the kids.
Yeah.
I was anxious to do this box, so. Alright, so next we have this Liz golf fleece vest. And I think it has her little crest. It looks probably 90s. Nothing like maybe $8. Here we have a Corey, which is like a junior's. Oh, this one's new with tags finally. It was from some boutique for 15 bucks. I will take that off. Mommy and Bee's closet. So yeah, it's new with tags, which should help, but it's just like a flowy blouse. Probably ask like 15 for that. I don't know. Corey's like a really lower end brand, so maybe 10. Charlotte Russe, new with tags. Oh wait. Okay, it's a house brand of Charlotte Russe, I guess. I didn't realize they had that. And I don't think Charlotte Russe even exists anymore. This was only 12 bucks. West Coast Love. It's got some weird, oh, it's got like a T-strap in the front. That's cute. Charlotte Russe is juniors, like I said, so it runs quite small. Yeah, this is a small, it's like a green. Stop. No, you don't break rules, buddy. No, that's not funny. Here is a new with tags, Attitudes by Renee. It is plus size, so that's good. It's a 2X blouse. It's like that slinky material where it's super stretchy. There is a black mark on the back. It must be just dust. So I don't see, did I see a retail tag on that? I don't think this is an expensive brand, so like $10. Sonoma, this is just Kohl's. It's just a cable knit sweater. Yeah, I don't know, guys, like $8. Another basic piece from Target and Away. This is a large. It's a heathered gray. I may actually just keep this one. Yeah, no tags. Heathered gray. What did it retail for? I don't see the price on it. We'll see. I may keep that. Man, it's been like all shirts. I'm kind of bummed. I was hoping for a mix because it was not just shirts. Here we have a 2X cropped and borrow paisley tops. I may just bundle some of these 2X pieces and sell them together. Josephine. Floral top. It almost feels like silk. Just looking for the material tag.
Hi, Mom. Daddy.
I see you. I do not see a material tag. Oh, man. I don't know. It may be silk. The next piece is new with tags from Walmart, Tara and Sky. It is a 2X. It's a cute floral blouse with a tie. And two more pieces. It's a golf polo, just a like a polyester dry fit. Burgundy. Poly dry, I don't know. Colorado, it's just probably like from a country club possibly. I don't know. And then the last piece of my sad box. This one is new with tags. So I like these new with tags, but I would rather have better brands and then be used. My daughter keeps messing up my phone, so it is what it is. Yes, Ellie, that's a turtle. And then a dressing woman. It's like a black, stretchy, slinky tunic. I'd say that's a tunic because I think it's plus size. Oh, it's a large. My goodness. All right. Well, there is my Goodwill blue box for $10. I am trying out a thing with my business where I'm just kind of like free for all. My sales have been so bad lately that I'm really like, okay, $5 on Facebook, let's go for it. If I've already paid for it, I'm just going to do it at this point. So, do you have any words of wisdom, Chip? Hey, do you have any words of wisdom for Mom in order to make more money? How should I make more money?
Just get more gold and money.
More gold and more money. Okay, he's talking in Minecraft terms. So, all right, everybody, we'll stay safe and have a Thriftilicious day. Bye.
Bye.